Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. How to edit Facebook Reels after posting. Go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just double check if my Facebook app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the Facebook, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna just click on my menu at the below right corner, and then click on your profile to see your personal profile. And here you're gonna be able to see this is the reel that I posted on my on my Facebook, right? And if I wanted to edit it, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here, edit post, and you're gonna be able right here to see that you can say something about this post or reel that you posted on your profile, and you can just add a caption. And if you want to add like a photo, you can do that by allowing access to your photo, or if you want to add another thing, you can always do that, like a location or emoji or whatever it might be, right? So it's really amazing to actually pull this off. This is I believe that this is like a post, but if you want to go ahead and manage the wheel and then add the wheel, you're gonna be able to edit the caption, the same settings almost as the normal posting. And basically that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.